Hi, this is Dorothy Kilty, and for the second time, I'm going to be part of the Crafty Christmas in July 2023. This is brought to you by Terry at Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group and Lisa at Paper Lace and Bling Facebook group. I did this last year and I had a lot of fun, so I'm giving it another try. It's only the 10th of June, but I have this absolutely fabulous package that came in the mail for unboxing. And this came from Lisa at Paper Lace and Bling. These are things that I will be using in July as part of this collaboration. And so super looking forward to it. And I just want to open it and show you what came. So first of all, I can't wait until I get all the information. So that's why I'm doing it now. So first we have this lovely little package tied up with a pretty paper. So of course this is the first thing that I will be able to use. This is really nice fabric with all the little, I think those are poinsettias on it. So let me just take that off and put it aside. Okay, so now here we are with this package. I don't want to tear up this paper too badly because I can also use that. Sometimes I just use this for the simplest things. I wanted to mention also that Lisa's going to have a special running, and there'll be more information coming below. But anything you buy in the month of July, while this collaboration is running, there's going to be a special of you get some free lace if you buy over 15 yards, I think it is. I'll double check this. And she always has, if you buy over $35 worth, free shipping. So, okay, first of all, we have this pretty poinsettia napkin. And napkins are wonderful to use in our creations. Okay, and now we have, look at these buttons. This is just a crazy assortment of buttons, all different kinds and different colors. I'm sure there'll be a perfect place to use those. Okay, here's a little bit of red. I think that these are all going to be at least a yard of fabric. So this red, here's a, look how pretty this is. Pretty and delicate. This is, okay. And we have, this is almost the same. It's not a yard, but, you know, very close to the same right there. We have, wow, this is so pretty, Lisa. Thank you. So that's really going to be fun. I'm going to be thinking about this stuff and what I'm going to do with it all. So, oh, this is the right side of this lace. So I'd say probably, you know what, yeah, 18 inches here. So that's nice. Here's another one. This is bows, Christmas bows. Oh, look at how rich this green looks. So pretty. Lisa, this is just gorgeous. Okay, we have some doilies. These are kind of, you know, very pretty doilies. It's white. That's pretty. Makes a pretty border, don't you think? Here is some doily. Now, what I like to do is take these apart. I don't know if that's what I'll do with these or if I'll use it. This would make a nice background on the cover of a journal. So lots of ideas I can see happening with that one. Here is, this is another big piece. And there's the right side on that one. Again, could be background on a cover. Could be cut apart to use for different things. This is going to be so fun to play with. And this is another edging. A scalloped edging with some embroidery on it. That's pretty. Oh, I just love this. When you have the scallops and then you have this print with the eyelets and stuff around it. Really pretty. Lisa, how gorgeous is all this? Okay, this is another piece of lace. So just a strip. Here's a strip. This is like, 6 inches wide, I think, in the border. I like to, when I see this, and that's what it's made for, but wind ribbon to it, that can be really pretty and really effective edging. Right off the top, can't you just see this as the top page of a flip with some papers underneath for journaling? And then there's 2 more things in here inside this toilet paper roll. We have a strip of piano roll paper. This will be fun to use. And this is some sort of a Christmassy crafty paper. So also very pretty to use, whether it's as a page or for decorations, for collaging. Great addition. Ribbon here with a bow on top. That'll be fun. So Lisa, thank you so much. These are absolutely gorgeous. Lisa and Terry, both of you, for letting me be part of this collaboration. And this is really going to be fun to play with. So thank you. And I'll see you with the next video.